Hello everyone, I'm Kirtana and I'm currently pursuing my MBA at Aditya School of Business Management. So today let me share a story of a brand. I have always been inspired by Indian companies that grow with a nation. One of the most remarkable company among them is Godrej, a brand that started over 127 years ago. So let me take you through the journey of Godrej, a story of leadership, trust and innovation. Imagine India in 1897, most goods came from outside and the Indian industry was just beginning to rise. At the time, in a small workshop in Mumbai, a young lawyer named Ardeshir Godrej left his law books began to chase a bigger dreams to build a Indian products that people could trust. His first creation was a lock. It was so strong and it was said to be unpickable. That was the creation of Godrej and it was the start of the Godrej. From locks, Godrej moved into many areas. Soon, the company made safes that could survive fires and explosions that was winning the trust of banks and businesses. Then the Godrej produced soaps. Not just an ordinary soap, but the soaps which are made of vegetable oil. Because at the time, many soaps are made of animal fat. So, this bold move made the Godrej a household name, especially among the people who want pure and progressive products. Slowly, the brand became the part of everyday's life, from home appliances, furniture to hair dyes, detergents and refrigerators and so on. At some point, every Indian home had something with the Godrej name in it. And also their township at Vikhroli in Mumbai became not just the hub of industries, but also become the one of the most greenest space in the city. So, and while rooted in India, Godrej spread its wings across Asia, Africa, and Latin America, carrying the values of trust and innovation wherever it went. Through changing times, one thing stayed the same. Godrej believed in quality and integrity, and moreover, their colorful logo, taken from the Ardeshir's own handwriting, is now recognized around the world. Today, under the leadership of Sudhir Sitapati, CEO and Managing Director of Godrej Consumer Products, a company continues to blend its 127 years legacy with modern innovation. So finally, Godrej story is a proof that with vision, innovation, trust and leadership, a company can grow alongside a nation. Thank you.